Understanding, cut it out, a common English phrase. Hello, dear viewers. Today we're diving into a popular English phrase that you might have heard in movies, TV shows, or even in everyday conversation. We're going to explore what cut it out means, how you can use it, and give you examples to help you understand it better. Whether you're an English language learner or just curious about the nuances of the language, this video is for you. So, let's get started and demystify this phrase. Cut it out is an idiomatic expression in English. At its core, it's a command that means stop doing something. It is usually used when the speaker wants another person to stop a behavior that is annoying, troublesome, or inappropriate. Interestingly, the phrase has nothing to do with scissors or literally cutting anything. When do we use this phrase? Cut it out can be used in both casual and serious contexts. Casually, it can be used among friends or family in a playful way when someone is teasing or joking around. In a more serious tone, it can be a stern request for someone to stop misbehaving or engaging in disruptive behavior. It's important to note the tone of voice and body language that accompany the phrase, as they can completely change the meaning from playful to serious. To help you grasp the concept better, let's look at some examples. 1. Imagine two siblings are teasing each other, and one starts to get annoyed. The annoyed sibling might say, "Cut it out, I'm not in the mood for jokes right now." 2. In a classroom, if a student is making noise while the teacher is talking, the teacher might say, "Cut it out and pay attention." Remember, the context in which it's said is key to understanding the intent behind the phrase. The English language is rich with variations and synonyms. Other phrases that have a similar meaning include, knock it off, stop that, enough already. These can be used interchangeably depending on the situation and your personal preference. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has made the phrase, cut it out, clear and that you feel more confident using it in your daily English conversations. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try using this phrase when the moment is right. Until next time, keep learning and cut out any doubts about speaking English.